Welcome back. Due to some physical problem, I am unable to upload or complete the series of this tutorial. Anyway, from now, I am going to complete this series of tutorial GST Bill entry, which is very important and which is help you to understand. One is how to entry, how to make entry multiple item in one entry module. So it will help you any kind of multiple item or anything to entry through Flutter with the Flutter app. Today I will not make my video very long. The some portion of this part of tutorial I will show you today. And in next 2 or 3 days, the series of tutorial will be complete. And along with the GST type entry and the customer entry and of course this GST bill entry will be completed very soon. I know it's long time. I am unable to upload the video, my series of tutorial, which is not good as a professional. So now you see the bill entry and the structure. I am making that structure of the bill entry, and it's a very simple because I will not long this video, and step by step I will complete it very fast. So it might help you. So it is to change the bill entry and cell view, and it's the app bar color, app bar title, and some button I will create today. And I will make step by step video every day to complete this series of tutorial. It will take time to run the Flutter app. The local IP. I just check the local IP. The local IP, it will add, add like a local host, act like a local host. Now GST bill entry, the app bar is show some icon as I told you, as I told that some first structure of the bill entry I will make today, and especially button, save button, that is check, and that check button will be used as a save button. It's a very simple things today I am making now. One part of the bill entry. Still I am not very much well, but it is my duty to complete this tutorial. That is why I started again to make this tutorial series of tutorial completed. The local host is not running in my system. That is why this error is occur. I will start OM server. The OM service server is running. The error will not come again. Today I will make button structure, app bar button structure only. Size 30. There is some single error. On press, we need to define on press here. Now error is gone away, right? Now the button, app bar, title, button, that is check button will be used as a sub button in future, and we need another one button, that is back button. Just to follow the code. Now the back button and check the save button, and if I want I can close by click on close button to back the main display menu. A navigator of contest, push replacement, material page out, build contest, and now the name selfie. Okay. Now the uh, some data display here, and when I complete the entry, and you can see the data will display there also. And the close button is the work as the same way working back to the cell view. Thank you very much to watching my video. If you not yet to subscribe my video, please subscribe and press the bell icon so you can get the notification when I upload the new video. Thank you very much for watching my video. Hope this code will help you.